Good day everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix in case if your Microsoft Store doesn't open or the Microsoft Store stuck on a loading issue. Now there are a couple of steps which you can go ahead and try to get this issue resolved. The first step, what I would suggest you to do is I would suggest you to go ahead and reset the Microsoft Store cache on your computer. Now to do this, what you will have to do is in the search box you will have to go ahead and type ws reset.exe. Now once for the best match you will see ws reset.exe. Click on run as administrator. Once you click on run as administrator, you would see a command prompt open on your computer. With that you will also see Microsoft Store launching. Now in case if you are able to launch Microsoft Store and you're able to download and install any application, you don't have to try the next step. Now in case if you're still facing a problem, as a next step, what I would suggest you to do is I would suggest you to go ahead and check your time and location settings on your computer. Now there are a couple of steps which you will have to go ahead and try to check your confirm your region and time settings. So for that you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, you will have to go to time and language. Once you click on time and language, you will see an option which says language and region. Click on it. Once you're on language and region, on the right hand side you will see an option which says country or region. So under this you will have to make sure you have chosen the current country or region. So in my case I'm based in India, so I have chosen India as my country or region. In case if you're based in United States or if you're based in United Kingdom or Ireland, from the drop down list you will have to make sure your country or region matches with the current location where you are in. At the same time you can also check the regional format. The regional format needs to be the current country you are in. In my case it is English India. That's the regional format what I've chosen here. Once it is done, once you have made sure that your current or country or region has been set to the current location, you may close this window and then try to launch Microsoft Store and see if it works. If it works, well and good, you don't have to try the next step. Now, as a next step, what I would suggest you to do is I would suggest you to go ahead and check for the latest Windows update. To do this, to check for the latest Windows update, you may do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, you will have to click on Windows Update on the left hand side, the last option. Check for the updates and see if there are any available updates on your computer. In case if there are any available updates, go ahead and download and install those updates. Make sure you restart your computer once all the updates are installed. Restart your computer and then try to launch Microsoft Store and see if it works. In case if it works, well and good, you don't have to try the next step. As a next step, what you can try is you can go ahead and try to fix the Microsoft Store or MS Store. To do this, what you will have to do is in the search box, you may go ahead and type MS Store or Microsoft Store. You will see a Microsoft Store under the best match. Now here you can go ahead and do a right click and then click on app settings. Once you're on the app settings, you will have to scroll down a bit and you may go ahead and click on repair. So what this will do is this will check if there are any malign components for Microsoft Store and try to repair the Microsoft Store by itself and try to fix the Microsoft Store. And once it is done, you may go ahead and do a reset and click on reset again. Close this window once the reset is complete. and then try to restart your computer and try to launch Microsoft Store. So the reset might take about a minute or two. In my case, it is in the process. Yeah, once it is done, once the repair and the reset is done, restart your computer and then try to launch Microsoft Store. Now, and in case, see if it works. In case if it works, well and good, you don't have to try the next step. So in spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem to launch Microsoft Store, and if the store doesn't open, next step is to reinstall Microsoft Store using a PowerShell code. Now for this, what you will have to do is you will have to open PowerShell on your computer. In the search box, you may go ahead and type PowerShell. Best match, you will see Windows PowerShell, and then you will have to click on run as administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may go ahead and click on yes or continue on the screen. Now once you have the PowerShell open on your computer, you will have to go ahead and type this command in the PowerShell. So I will also paste this command in the video description, and I will also place it in the on the screen. So all you have to do is either you can do a right click here and click on edit and paste. That will go ahead and copy and paste the command. Once it is done, you will have to go ahead and hit the enter. So once you hit the enter, you will see the command on the screen, and once it is done, you will have to go ahead and close the PowerShell terminal and restart your computer. Once you restart the computer, then you may try to go ahead and launch Microsoft Store, and that should fix the problem. Now, in spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section. And I will also recommend the video for you to watch, which I have already posted on my channel. I will place it in the I section at the top right corner. Click on this video, and that you can also try the step. So in spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with a possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.